What is up? This is your bud Neelam and welcome back to That Neelam Show. First of all, thank you so much for making it to the episode 2 of Babe on Budget. If you haven't watched the first episode, then I would put the link in the description box and you can always watch it. If you are looking at this phase for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I keep coming with budget fashion videos, reviews, lifestyle videos, and you can subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. For those who are new over here, Babe on Budget is basically a series that I've started. We are on episode 2 right now, and in this series, I'm going to take you guys along with me to the various street markets of Delhi, which are the places where I have always shopped like throughout my life, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि मैं आप लोगों को वहाँ लेके जाऊँ और मुझे बेसिकली इस सीरीज के थ्रू ये दिखाना है कि कौन सी मार्केट में किस टाइप की वैरायटीज मिलती हैं एंड कितने बजट में हम क्या क्या चीज़ें खरीद सकते हैं. So this whole series is just to give you an idea of all the kind of things that you can buy from those places and the budget that you should keep. What are the things that you should keep in mind when you're going to shop at those places? And yeah, enjoy the street shopping of Delhi. So I went to Sarojini when the summer collection was in full bloom, and as discussed on Babe on Budget, I took the budget of 1500 rupees. Let's see what all I bought and how I styled. For Babe on Budget episode number 2. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I really loved filming it and I genuinely love Sarojini, so it was like a very fun video for me. कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताओ कि आपको कौन सा स्टाइल सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, और हाँ, नेक्स्ट कौन सी मार्केट एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो वो भी मुझे बता देना. एंड गाइज प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो इफ यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट, शेयर इट विद योर फैशन क्रेजी फ्रेंड्स. कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना फीडबैक लिखना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. एंड गाइज प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, इट वुड रियली मीन अ लॉट. तो अब मैं आपसे मिलूंगी बेब ऑन बजट के 3rd एपिसोड में एक नई मार्केट और ढेर सारे नए स्टाइल्स के साथ. टिल देन, stay healthy, stay happy and keep shopping. Bye.